So hi guys, welcome to another video by Fundablex. So in this video I'll be showing you the run through of my forex account, what I'm doing right now. So before getting started, let me come to the chart breakdown. After that we'll get back to the my forex fund. Okay, so what happened today? So let me show you the trades which I have took today. So yeah, I took my trades on Euro USD. Okay, there was two trades which I have took today. No, not two, three trades. Out of three trades, I took two stop losses and one trade happened to be a winning trade. Now let me give you a short idea that what's happening on this week. So basically, if you're watching my videos from the beginning, you would have seen that I was going on like kind of a 10 lots, heavy lots, okay, and I was looking for a riding techniques and like the way of method. I used to take a bigger profits like $3,000, $2,000. I let it run. Now, but in recent days, I have reduced my position sizing, and my trade should be like $600 to $1,000. So I have reduced to that. So why did I do that? I'll tell you that explanation in the end while showing you the my forex fund. Now my first trade. Let me show you my my Telegram channel first. So in that you will get an idea. So this is my Telegram channel. What has happened? So I have posted a video based on risk management. So this video is like 40 minutes. So the people, let's say the people who are struggling to get an edge on risk management, definitely this video will be giving you a heads up, because I am telling three different type of risk management based on based on situation wise you can change it. And I'll tell you another risk management what I'm going to do on this week on my forex fund as well. So watch this video fully, and this 40 minutes, it is worth the time. So you watch it, I can guarantee you that there will be a bigger change on a perspective of market you are looking into. Okay, you're not gonna fear about the stop losses when you are getting hit. Okay, now so I have mentioned it already on my channel. So first of all, what was my entry? First entry I took it on EU, right? So this was my entry point. There was an equal high, I was targeting to the upper side. This was my first point of entry, and second point of entry was over here. Why did I do that? Have two shots today. Okay, market has a possibility to go up, and if the market goes from this point, I may not be able to capture the momentum, because it happened few days back. You know, when the market once it takes an Asian low or high, sometimes it have a very impulsive move, and sometimes I may not be having a chance to take it. So what I did, I took a risk entry. I usually don't take a risk entry, but in this point I was like, okay, if this stop loss get hit, I'll take it on next one. Now eventually what happened, my stop loss got triggered, and I was looking into another entry on AUDST. I will explain that one as well. But I took the entry over here, and my stop loss got hit. Okay, I lost $200. I took 7 lots, and I lost like 200 on that. Okay, this was like 3 pip stop loss, and I was like, okay, 3 pip is fine. 7 lots, $210, I'm gonna lose it. After that, what happened? In this entry, I was like, okay, I'm not going to take a risk entry over here. I'll wait for any reaction to happen. Once the reaction happens, then I'll make another entry. And what was my target? Asian high. Now what happened is, market has given me the entry, but I have booked my profit once it has given me 1:3. Okay, the reason is the my forex fund is going to be getting expired this week. Okay, I'm still on profit, so I don't want to I don't want to take much of a risk. So what I was planning is, I want to gather small profits to something like, maybe I can bring my account to $1,03,000, and I'll hit it with heavy lots by the end of the time, in the sense that I may increase my risk to a $700. Then I may have another 3 to 4 shots I may be able to do. If I lose 4 trades, I'll stop it, and I'll reset my account for the next week. If I get a profit, I can go back to the winning percentage, which is 8%, or if I come to a 6%, I may halt it, and I'll request for another 2-week extension for 2%. That's it. So that was my plan for this week. Okay, so that is why I booked my profit here. You see this particular candle over here. Let me show it over here. You see this particular candle on 1 minute, right? See, So what I was planning, if I get 1,000, I was planning like I will book my profit. Now what happened, it has given me very immense pressure on 1 minute, and the profit did came to $950. What I was expecting is, I was watching this, maybe this is a full size candle, it has closed, maybe a little bit of pump for $50, I would have booked it. But my actual target which I was targeting was over here. Just because the momentum has happened, I was like, okay, let it go past $1,000 and I'll book it peacefully. But after that, what happened, it started to consolidate, my emotions got kicked in, I kept my stop loss here. Then I was like, okay, at some point I was like, okay, fine, we'll book it whatever we are having, because it has already given me more than 1:3. But at the time I was booking it, I booked it at $650 or something. Okay, so that was it. So let me pull out the screenshot, just give me 1 second. So yeah, 1 second guys, which is over here. Desktop over here. Yeah, I think this is the, yeah, today came out in break even again, but it's fine. See, I went with 7. I usually go with 10 lots, but today I've just reduced my risk because it is last week. So I went for a buy, stop loss hit $210. Another one, I took a buy and exited at 15, and I booked a profit of 600 because I was risking like $200 and I booked like 1:3. Then I was like, okay, fine, I'll book my profits and I'll come out. But it happened to be very good momentum and it went up. But no regret guys, because the plan was totally different. I have made another good setup for what I'm going to be doing for this week. So that is why no regrets. I wasn't planning for a long ride or something. $1,000 was good enough for me, something like 1:5, because the skin $200. I don't want to bring it down. I little by little, in 2 days, I just want to bring another $1,000, so 1,500. That is my targets, right? Then after that, I booked my profit. It went up. The original target was an Asian high. It did give me a target, but I booked it early. Now what happened is, there was a sell zone. This area was a 4-hour sell zone on order block. But what happened, the market has given me, I should not looked into 1 minute, but even on 5 minutes it was a kind of a shift, but it was wick shift, not the body shift. See, has given me shift, and it was a body shift on the charge down. But it happens, the market gave you fake move just to induce the people into sells, and they take your stop loss. Now what I did, after getting the confirmations, I entered over here. I was planning for a short, and 4 people was my stop loss, and I took like 7 lots, and it has given me a loss of $280. Now I came to a break even for today. That is my not break even, little bit of profit, $130 or something. I'm having a profit, but that is what happened for today. Now again, what I will be planning for today is, if I get any kind of shifting from this particular point, because this was a point where the market has given me very immense pressure, right? So this is at a point where a very big sell zone is coming in, right? So if you're looking over here, there was a fair value gap which got mitigated. Right now there was a fair value gap and mitigated. Now what I'll be planning is, it is very less probability, I'll go for one more shorts if I get a good shift on 5 minute, and I'll go for sells on Euro USD, where I'll be targeting something like this level, like these kind of things. Even though, let's say if I get 1,000, I'll just pull out 1,000 to 1,500, I'll just pull out. Now let me take you to another chart, which is AUD USD. So this was a level which I was planning to enter on AUD USD. So if you're looking into a pip wise, this is having a pip of $7 to $8. So usually that's why I don't go for aggressive entry, because 7 pips. But if it was like less than 4 pip or something, I would have went for a buy entry, because this is an extreme level where I can look for buy area. So right now the AUD USD has given a market shift, and it has given a charge. So if it comes back to this area, if I get a reaction something, then I may look for a short term, something like until this point, maybe I'll be looking for buys. But my overall idea is on sell area. After taking this particular point, see the market is reversing from this point. So this point also I can look for sell, where it will be good, I guess. But I would look for a shifting as well, because there's an equal high over here, right? So I'm not going to enter directly, but there is reaction. The reaction has started, and this is the extreme level. So if I take this whole area which I am pointing out 10, if I get it over here, I'll take a risk entry. Anyway, let's find out how the market moves. It all depends on that. So this is my breakdown. Now let me take it to my forex fund. So this is another account which I am trying to pass. This is an evaluation account. So how did this go? See, if you look into my winning rate, just 20%. See, still I'm profitable of $1,000 over here. Okay, I was having a profit of 3,000, but eventually I had some stop losses on past few days. It was trending. I just took a counter trades and all, but not very big of a loss. So where did I come from? Okay, so if you're watching my videos, I started 2 weeks back. So 1 week itself, I think I made like more than 5% to 6%. If you're looking at the trading history, let me show you that. It's not this one. Okay, yeah, the trading history also I'll show it. So whenever I'm taking losses, see, I'm taking $300, $200, 250, 250, see, 150. This is my highest stop loss, which I was doing it on in the beginning time. Look into my profits, $400, 455. Then if you come all the way down, you'll get to see that my losses won't be more than 500. Maybe because of slippage or something, I'll be having 504, something like that. But if you look into profit, see, $1,900, $2,100. Then so back again. So look into the losses, $320, but when I'm getting a profit, see, I'm getting like $1,400, $2,000, $1,876. So this is how you have to manage your risk. So the people who haven't watched my videos previously, I have posted a video based on risk management. It is a lengthy video, but trust me, if you watch that video, even though if you are like a struggling trader and if you couldn't get a winning very big winning ratio, still I can guarantee you that you'll be a successful trader. So these trades which I took $2,000 and these were the initial days of my trade, but once it has come to the end time, my profits are becoming less because I have only 5 days left still on profit. What I am planning is I want to bring this to like 3,000 or something. So before my this Friday, before my account ends, last 2 days I am going to increase my risk percentage, but I'm not gonna make my account go below this 100k. Okay, so what I'm planning is if I have a 300k if I have a $3,000 of profit, now what I'm gonna do is, let's say I have a Thursday and a Friday, again I'm going to do my trades based on $700 risk. So I'm gonna take 3 pip stop loss again, then I'll go for a lot size of something like 20 lots, right? So if I get a 1:2, 1:3 on a 20 lots, if I get like 10 pips, it is $2,000. I'll book it and come back. Friday, I'll increase my risk percentage to $1,000 and I'll make sure that I'll get like 1:2 or something. So this is what I'm planning. If I don't, if my account goes below like 500, I'll stop it. I don't want to take risk. I'll just reset it back and start again from Monday, again on full fledged, and so peacefully I want to trade. Okay. So that is it, so let me show you this trading days as well. So there was a point where my account has dropped all the way to 95. See, the account has came to 96, but on same day it has went to 95. But after that, while closing, I made it a profit to 96. That is why it is showing like 96 over here. So 95, the account has went to 95. After 95, see, I have then is a point where I started my YouTube videos. Why did I start that? Because at some point I feel like I'm kind of becoming lazy, or no, I'm being careless or something. So at that point I was like, okay, maybe if I record my videos, maybe I'll be much more disciplined, because there are some people who to watch my trades, so I won't be going out of the setup. So that is what I personally felt. But I did, okay, from Monday I'm going to do this. Then again I started. From there it has came to $1,600 profit. These 2 days no trades. Then $1,000 profit, $3,200 profit. Losses, see the losses I'm taking a day, 520 done, $80, $10. These are break-even days. Again no trades, $800. Now losses has come to 600. Then $1,000 loss, $300 profit. So this is how I'm taking my account now. And at some point I have took my account all the way to 2,400. Okay, and it has went more than 4,000, but I didn't book a profit on that particular day, so that is why I had to bring my profit to 2,000. But from 95 I bring my account to 2,500, which means that 7.5% I have gained it in a span of 1 week to 10 days, right? Then again my account came to this, and finally I'm at a profit of 1,003. So this is my story on this particular evaluation account. So I hope this is a point where you get have a motivation. You don't need to have a higher winning rate. 20 winning rate is more than enough. Then what you have to do, just see, I'm taking 3 trades a day, 4 trades a day, I'm limiting my trades. Manage your risk properly so you can get into profit. Whatever you do, you'll be on profit, right? Manage your risk properly, that is all you need. So let's see. Anyway, I have 5 days left. Maybe if I can manage to get another $2,000, I would try to finish off my target in 2 days. Okay, yeah, anyway, let's see what happens. Anyway, so that is it for today's breakdown. If I take any other trades, I'll make sure that I'll drop it on the other side. Until then, thank you, bye.